Have you ever felt helpless because you doubted yourself? Do you feel that you can't compare with others and always lack something? This kind of feeling makes people fall into darkness, and it is difficult to see their true value. The real obstacle is not from the external world, but from the inner doubt and fear. Only when you begin to accept your own uniqueness will the light in your heart gradually appear. What you see is only the shadow of your heart, not your true appearance. When you stop comparing with others and embrace your own unique light, you will find infinite wisdom and strength. The real problem lies in self-doubt, not our ability or external conditions. Stop doubting, and you will see your infinite potential. Adopting yourself is the first step to peace. Everyone has their own unique light, and this light does not need to be proved by competing with others. When you stop pursuing external recognition and listen to your heart, you will find wisdom and peace in your heart. This kind of awareness will lead you out of the fog of self-doubt and find your true self. Knowing the true self is the power of knowing fearlessness. When we are satisfied and comfortable inside, we no longer need external recognition. We often stagnate because of self-doubt, but in fact, we don't see our own infinite potential. True self-confidence comes from the inside and does not depend on any externality. At this moment, choose to embrace your true self, no longer doubt and fear, because the true self is like light, fearless, and does not need others to prove or affirm. When you see your nature, you can face all challenges and move forward fearlessly. In this competitive world, we often unconsciously compare ourselves with others, resulting in self-doubt. This kind of comparison will only obscure our true light. When you stop looking at others and focus on your own growth, you will see that the light in your heart is shining with infinite potential. This inner light can not only bring you strength, but also help you find your own path in life and move towards true self-realization. Everything in the world is changing, and only the true self is the most reliable power in our hearts. If we define ourselves only by external achievements, it is easy to feel uneasy and anxious with the ups and downs of the outside world. We don't have to rely on others' affirmation or negation, because our value is never changed by external standards. When we accept and cherish our imperfections, we can live a truly peaceful and free life. When we fall into self-doubt and pain, the key to relief is to accept our own uniqueness. If you are not afraid of your own imperfection, you can see the inner perfection. Everyone's uniqueness is a gift from the universe. When you stop demanding on yourself and embrace this unique power, you will find that the original dilemma is just an inner illusion. To embrace yourself is to embrace the infinite possibilities of life and get out of the pain and low tide. When we stop doubting and accept ourselves, our self-confidence will naturally awaken. Self-confidence does not come from external recognition, but from inner strength. When we believe in ourselves and focus on our inner wisdom and strength, we will see that the light in our hearts is getting stronger and stronger, and we can cope with any challenges in life. Stop doubting and let self-confidence become the guide in your life and lead you to the light.